Hi, my name is Sumedha, and this is part 2 of my experience of cooking. Earlier, I could only recognize the most common vegetables in the market, but when I started cooking, I learned to recognize different vegetables, their rates in the market. Buying them was not something I was comfortable with because I could be easily fooled before, but with different experiences, I learned to overcome this fear. I love South Indian food and I knew that I would be able to make dosa, however badly it may turn out to be. So I kept searching for its batter in the market and online stores, but I could not find it. Then I decided to make the batter with the help of YouTube, and clearly I was successful. One of the memorable things while cooking was how my friends and family shared their recipes with me and were always there to help me whenever I found it difficult to make something, and then me sharing pictures of whatever I made with them. खाना कितना भी बना लो, जो घर का जो टेस्ट होता है ना, जब तक वो नहीं आता तब तक you don't feel satisfied. So this one time I made dal chawal and they felt like home and it felt so good. Do you know what I love more than eating mangoes? Drinking mango shake. I kept longing for mangoes in the whole month of April, but they were not there in the market, and also it was too early for mangoes to arrive. But when they arrived, I just couldn't wait to make mango shake. I am head over heels for Rajma Chawal, so it is one of the things that I made more than twice. I fell in love with beaten coffee when I was in hostel. One of my friends used to make it for me and it was so amazing and yummy, and that is when I started liking coffees a lot. And I made beaten coffee at home and it turned out well, because when I made the first attempt to make beaten coffee in the hostel, I failed at it terribly, but here I was able to make it and it was yummy, and I'm really thankful to this friend of mine who taught me this art of making coffee. I never knew that making an omelette was so easy. I was at first tired and fed up of eggs because in Shimla I used to have it every other day. But after coming to Bombay, I fell in love again with the omelette, because the bread omelette that is served in our canteen is so delicious. So I really wanted to make it, and this is how I ended up making it. For me, pehle making a dough was a huge task, but with time, it became simpler and easier for me, and it also started taking less amount of time, and also I started creating lesser mess while making dough than before. I began with making parathas and I continued making them because I thought they were easier to make. I also thought that I'll never be able to make an average roti. But when I tried my hand at it, I realized that they take so much less time and they are not that hard to make, and it's okay if you don't make round rotis. did not know that धनिया कम क्वांटिटी में कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. So I just decided to make its chutney one day so that it doesn't go waste. And I was surprised that I was making stuff that I thought I would never be able to make. This video captured my reaction of making a good dosa which did not stick to the pan. The feeling of making things that I used to demand from my mother was so fulfilling. I know that my food doesn't taste that good right now, but I am learning, and it makes me really happy to know that when I will go home the next time, I will be able to make something for my family and friends. Lastly, it always feels good whenever you leave the kitchen clean because you don't have to come back to clean it.